Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by closing Disk Utility and quitting any apps that access drives. Once done, make sure you have a current backup. This process changes app settings, not data. Open Terminal in Applications Utilities. You will remove Disk Utility preferences. Type Defaults Delete COM, Apple, Disk Utility and press Return. Then remove the container folder, rm/rf_library/containers/com, Apple, Disk Utility. These commands reset the app's stored state. You're preparing macOS to recreate clean defaults. After removing preferences, restart your Mac to ensure changes take effect. When you log back in, launch Disk Utility from Applications Utilities. macOS recreates fresh settings. Once open, set View to show all devices and verify internal and external volumes appear. If you're troubleshooting a disk, select the device and click First Aid. This repairs common file system issues. You should now see default toolbar layout and no prior window state. Make sure layouts and device visibility look normal. If Disk Utility won't open or behaves oddly after a restart, reboot into recovery mode. Restart and hold Command-R until you see the Apple logo. In recovery, open Disk Utility to run First Aid on your startup disk. This often fixes deeper issues. If First Aid reports unresolved errors, make sure your backup is current, then consider reinstalling macOS from recovery. One key troubleshooting tip: if commands fail, double-check command spelling and your account has administrator privileges before repeating the steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.